Valentine's Day is around the corner. Are you still offering these basic black lashes? Don't leave money on the tables. Today, I'll show you how to create this stunning Cupid arrow set using the Ciula color lashes. It's subtle, it's sexy, and your clients will pay extra for it. First, let's grab your tools. We are using the Ciula Promade fans in red and pink, mixed with the black for the contrast. Crucial tips when working with the color lashes: always use the clear glue. Black glue will look dirty on the pink lashes. Ciula clear glue dries invisible and hold for more than 7 weeks. Here is the map. We are doing a wispy cat eye to elongate the eyes. Length 9mm in the corner up to 14mm out of the corners. The secret isn't a full color set, it's about layering. Bottom layer, use a black fence for density. Top layer and spice, use a red and pink fence for that pop of romance. This creates a 3D effect that wow every time. Look at how vibrant these pigments are. Ciula color lashes are double heated so the curls stay perfect. Notice how I place a red spice at the very end of the eyes. That's the arrow effect. Dip into the clear glue, place and hold. Perfect isolation is key. Now, how much should you charge? Since this is a specialty set requiring advanced styling and premium color lashes, do not give it away for free. Add an upsell fee for $15 to $20 on top of your full set price. Call it the Valentine's close-up. Clients love exclusivity. Ready to make your clients fall in love? Grab the Ciula Valentine color collections and our clear glue at the link down below and use our code to save your money up, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more lash month. Happy lashing!